So what are the most common patterns that you see that slow down results with the Indian body or the Indian diet, or when it comes to even if somebody is eating healthy?
Yeah. So first of all, you have to understand there's a critical metabolic difference between Indian population and the Western population. So you have to kind of really accept that fact.
It is genetics.
It is genetics.
As much as,
Yes.
people like to blame genetics for a lot of things, but this is genetics.
It is absolutely genetics. I mean, there are so many researchers which state that Indians, might have the same BMI, but they will have extra visceral fat as compared to the Westerners.
We can see that on the streets. Everyone's got a big belly, especially the men.
Yeah, that's what. So they are prone to kind of store the fat around the belly, which is the visceral fat, the more dangerous one. So there is a genetic predisposition for sure as compared to any other Westerners.
And this is because of the famine in our ancestry.
Absolutely right. Yeah. And that's why we have a very nice term to it. It's called, so basically thin outside, fat inside, phenotype.
Yeah.
Yeah. So very common in the Indians, especially the South Asians actually. So what we are saying is that even if you eat the same amount of food, the same calories of food, Indian population is going to be reacting to it differently in the form of glucose response. So they are the ones who are going to be like responding more, let's say hyper, where the food is concerned. So they're going to be like, oh, glucose, oh, let me just quickly store it. So they have that mechanism in them a little inbuilt. And also top on it, we are a carb-rich country. So we're eating adequate carbohydrates, maybe more, lack of fiber, lack of protein worsens the entire system.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.